Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Indastro. I am Jyotish Acharya Naina from Team Pandit Punarvasu, and today I am here to discuss with you one of the most important astrological events that is going to happen very soon, which is Jupiter becoming exalted. Yes, dear friends, Jupiter, the most benefic planet of astrology, unlike Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Sun, Jupiter is a planet that is a good news for all of us. It is a planet that grants all your wishes. It is that magical planet that can boost your good luck and make all your wishes come true. Jupiter is the Karaka of marriage. It is the Karaka of good luck. It is the Karaka of dharma. It is the Karaka of religion. And it is the Karaka of immense amount of wealth. It is a planet which is associated with Guru Brahaspati. Guru Brahaspati, who was the gurus of the gods, the Devatas. The Guru who stands for moral righteousness. The Guru who stands for wisdom and knowledge. The Guru who stands for good karma. Yes, dear friends, these are all the things that Jupiter demands from you. As we all know, the Jupiter is a giant planet. It is the biggest planet in the solar system. Therefore, the impact of Jupiter is also going to be humongous, which means that when Jupiter becomes exalted, it becomes extremely powerful, especially during a special window when it comes at 5 degrees in Cancer, because 5 degrees is a point where it becomes Param Uch. Within the Cancer sign, Jupiter is exalted, but when it is on 5 degrees in Cancer, it becomes super exalted, becoming extremely powerful, or we can say the most powerful it can be. And this window is also coming soon, between 26th June 2026 to 2nd of July 2026. These are the few days which are going to be a manifestation window for all of you. All your dreams and desires can get manifested during this time. If you're feeling stuck in life, if you're feeling like you're not getting any opportunities, if you feel that you are worthy of a change, if you're worthy of something better than you already have, then this is the time for you to manifest your dreams into reality, as the cosmic powers are going to be pushing you towards your goals. Now, let us discuss the Cancer sign as well. So, Cancer sign is ruled by Moon. It is also the first water sign of the zodiac belt. This sign represents your mother. This sign also represents your motherland. It represents your comfort, your safe space. It represents your emotions. It also represents all your assets, all the things that make your life better, all the things that make you feel at home. So, when Jupiter enters this sign, it grants all your wishes related to these things. It not only grants you your material desires, but it also gives peace in your life. It also gives your work life balance. It can also take you to your highest spiritual peak point. As Cancer sign also represents your family, this is also going to be an excellent time for family bonding and healing old relationships which are not in their best shape. So, overall, this is a time for complete growth in all areas of your life. That is why this time is very special. Friends, Jupiter becomes exalted after 13 years. So, it is a very limited window and it is a very special time for you. I'm saying this again and again because this time is going to be truly powerful. If I try to put how Jupiter in Cancer feels in words, I can only say that imagine that you are going in a desert and you have been traveling for various days and you're still in the scorching heat, you're thirsty, you're broken, you are tired, and you want rest. All of a sudden, you find a huge giant tree with a very cool and soothing shade. That tree and that shade is Jupiter in Cancer. That is a place where you will finally find your rest. That is a place where you finally find your peace. That is a place where your mind starts working more clearly, where you can align yourself with your goals, and where your luck pushes you towards your best self. No matter where Jupiter is placed in your birth chart, no matter whether it is powerful or afflicted or whatever state it is in, irrespective of all these things, this period is going to be a positive window for everybody. And you must only know how to encash it. You must only have the purest desires and the will to achieve things through your hard work and not through shortcuts. You must also have a pure heart, pure intentions, and a sattvic mindset. If you are that person, then mark my words, this upcoming time is going to be excellent for you. Now, let me begin to tell you how Jupiter energy is going to impact different moon signs. Let's begin with Aries moon sign. So, for Aries moon sign, Jupiter is coming in your fourth house, and fourth house itself represents all the things that I just mentioned. So, Jupiter is going to boost your luck to its fullest. You are going to get a lot of comfort. You're going to buy a new house. You can even buy a new car or renovate your current house. You can also move to a better place. As Jupiter is aspecting your 12th house, it may help you move as well. You may also upgrade your style of living and your standards. Your relationship with your mother will become better. She may also give you a nice gift, or you may also receive inheritance from her. Since Cancer sign also represents your family members are going to support you during this time. If there has been a feud between you and your family members, that feud is finally going to end during this period. It is a period where you will find peace, where you will also find your spirituality, and where you will achieve your dreams. This Jupiter is aspecting your 8th house, so you are going to do well in research in case you're working in a field where you need to do some research. You are also going to do well in your joint finances. In case you don't have joint finances, you can make some during this time. All the investments that you will make during this time are also going to yield excellent results. So I recommend you to invest some money during this window. You will stay healthy, your health will improve, and in case there are any accidents or any mishappenings, you will remain untouched and safe in this window. As Jupiter is also aspecting your 10th house, you can expect a job promotion. Your boss will support you unconditionally, and you may even get a leadership position at your workplace. Your public image will also improve. Jupiter is aspecting your 12th house, which means again, your previous investments will yield positive results. You may even get a job offer from a foreign land or a multinational company. Also, in case you have been ill or you were in the hospital, this is the time that your recovery will become very fast. In case you have been battling with a court case, this is the time when you will find some relief finally. So, all you need to do is manifest whatever you desire for, and your wishes will come true as magic of Jupiter will lighten up your life. Now, let's talk about Taurus sign. So, for Taurus sign, Jupiter is coming in your third house, which is the house of communication, the house of short travels. So, during this time, you may go on a short travel, especially to a spiritual place. Your travels will also prove to be very beneficial for you. You may get new opportunities during those travels. Also, your communication will be impacted by Jupiter, which means that whatever you speak during this time is going to have a greater impact than before. It is going to bring you new opportunities, and it is going to enhance your luck. Your younger siblings will give you unconditional support in case your relationship with your younger siblings is strained. This is the period when this relationship will become much better. You will also start to feel that with very little effort, you are able to achieve big things. That means you will not need to put too much effort into something. Only little bit effort will be enough to give you big gains and big results. Imagine what you can do if you put your 100% effort during this time. Now, Jupiter is aspecting your seventh house, first of all. Seventh house aspect means you can get married. In case you're planning to do so, you will find your soulmate, you will find your perfect partner. And also, the partner that you will find during this time will be excellent for you. That partner will be your soulmate. So, best of luck for that. Also, your partnership businesses will run well. You are going to get new opportunities, new clients, more payments. You can even increase the price of your products as well as the quality, and your business is going to expand soon. As Jupiter is also the Karaka of expansion, so wherever it looks, it expands. Finally, Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of wish fulfillment and desires. This is an excellent news. All you need to do is put your business on social media. All you need to do is become socially active, and that will trigger the blessings of Jupiter into your life. 11th house is the house of your social circle. So, somebody in your social circle will help you achieve what you desire for. Somebody in your social circle will help you gain the knowledge that is required for you to become better, for you to achieve what you want. So become socially active, make good connections, and listen carefully what people have to say to you, especially the elder people. Now let's talk about Gemini sign. So for Geminis, Jupiter is coming into your second house, and second house stands for your accumulated wealth. It also stands for your immediate family. Jupiter is going to improve your family relationships. You will also be able to expand your family, maybe get married, maybe have a child. Any kind of expansion in family can happen during this time. Also, your wealth will expand. So, your savings will increase. Even if your salary doesn't increase, your saving will still increase. You may even benefit from your mutual funds, SIP investments, things like that, which will end up increasing your overall wealth status. As second house impacts your speech, Jupiter is going to have a strong impact on the way you speak as well. So, you must start communicating more in order to reach your goals. Whatever you speak during this time will have more impact than usual. Your words will carry deep knowledge, influence, and wisdom. So, you should give advice to others and also hear your own advice. Just consider that your words are of gold during this period. Also, your second house stands for your food habits. So, during this period, you will gain a lot of opportunities to have good food. You will eat to your heart's content, and you will feel that during this time there is a lot of partying. But at this time, you must also control your weight and check your food habits, as such lavish food habits may lead to overweight or obesity. Jupiter is a planet that likes sweet taste, therefore, you may also have a sweet tooth during this period. Now, your Jupiter is going to aspect your 6th, 8th, and 10th houses. This is an excellent period for your job, for your career, because Jupiter is aspecting your 6th house of job and 10th house of career both. This is a rare incident, and this period has a high potential of giving you a salary raise, a career hike, and also giving you victory over your enemies. If you're into a court case or any legal matter that has been stuck since a long time, this is the period where you will get some relief. You may even win a court case during this time. Your enemies may get revealed, or your previous enmities may get resolved during this period. Also, your previous debts may get cleared. You will also get a new loan if you're applying for it. In case if you were having any issues with getting a loan previously, you must try applying during this time after 2nd of June. Now let's talk about Cancer sign itself. So in the Cancer sign, Jupiter is coming in your Lagna. It is a golden period for you especially. As Jupiter is coming in your Lagna, it will try to enhance your wisdom, your knowledge. You must also read new things during this time. Whatever you will learn in this period between June to October, that particular knowledge will help you rise in life. it will boost your luck, it will bring you new opportunities. So you must definitely learn something during this period. Start a small course, start learning anything. Even you can refresh a previous hobby or brush up on your other interest apart from your career stream. As first house stands for your personality, Jupiter coming in your Lagna will make your personality very magnanimous. It will make you shine and even outshine others. Whatever you will do will have an impact on the society. So keep your karma clean, keep your mindset positive, which will enhance your vibrations, and you will be able to attract this positive energy that Jupiter is giving you. This period is maximum beneficial for you, especially because Jupiter is coming in your Lagna itself. Lagan is your body also. Therefore, any health issues or any ailments that you might be facing earlier will get resolved. Your health will become better. Now, Jupiter is going to aspect your fifth house. Fifth house stands for your children, your education, your talents. You will be able to brush up on your talents again. You will be able to be more creative during this time. So, you should pursue your hobbies. Maybe your hobbies will turn into a new source of income for you. Additional income streams can also form during this period. Jupiter is aspecting your seventh house. You may even get married. So, if you're looking for a partner, this is the right time to get one. Your children will also help you a lot during this time. They will do good in life and they will bring you happiness. If you are a student, you will do well in your studies and you will be able to concentrate better, as Jupiter is sitting on your head and aspecting your education. So, your marks will increase, your performance will improve, and you will overall be able to do better at school or at your college. If you are into business, your business will grow. You will be able to expand your horizons and explore new opportunities. You will also gain some high paying clients, and you will also be able to increase the quality as well as prices of your products or services that you offer. Jupiter is aspecting your ninth house, your luck has been boosted. You will also go on long distance travels, especially spiritual journeys. You will gain guidance from your elders, and overall, your luck will become 100 times better than before. Opportunities will come very easily, money will flow easily. So, this is an excellent period for you. During this time, you must always listen to your father, and his advice will help you gain new opportunities and achieve success in life. Now let's talk about Leo sign. So for Leos, Jupiter is coming in your 12th house, which is a great opportunity for you because you may get a chance to travel abroad. You may get a job opportunity from a foreign land. You may want to become isolated and turn towards spirituality. Your spiritual inclination will definitely increase in this period, which will do you good, which will give you peace, which will give you a purpose, which will give you a lot of clarity as well. This period is going to be slightly transformative for you. So, you must embrace the changes that are coming in your life. If you were having consistent bad dreams earlier, your dreams will become good. In fact, your dreams will carry messages for you. Your destiny in life will be clear through your dreams. Universe is going to give you some indications through your dreams, and you must try to interpret those. Also, your sleep quality will increase and you will get new opportunities from faraway places. Now, this Jupiter is aspecting your fourth house, so you can buy real estate in a foreign land or even your motherland. You may also be able to get a new car, make new assets, increase your overall wealth, increase your overall status. Another aspect of Jupiter is falling on your sixth house, so job promotion is possible. Your struggles in life will overall diminish. Things will become slightly easier for you. Whatever things were holding you back earlier those things will become more subtle, and you will feel a boost of energy in your daily routine, as sixth house represents your daily routine. You will also get relief from legal matters as well as debts. Making new investments is an excellent idea during this time. Either your previous investments will give fruitful results in this period, or the investments that you will make during this period will become fruitful later. So you must do proper financial planning during this time and start investing more often. Now, the third aspect of Jupiter is falling on your eighth house. So, your joint ventures will bring good results. Even your joint finances will grow. Your in laws will bring you new opportunities, or they may gift you something really valuable. Your relationship with your in laws will also enhance. If you are into research, this is an excellent time for you because you are going to make a breakthrough in your career. The aspect of Jupiter on your eighth house will definitely give you positive results related to your research or your spiritual journey. It will also protect you from accidents or any other mishappenings. So, you are going to stay safe during this period. Now, let's talk about Virgo sign. For Virgo moon sign, Jupiter is coming to your 11th house of wish fulfillment. This is a great news for you. During this period, all your wishes, all your pending desires can get manifested into reality. So you must start doing affirmations, you must start manifesting more often. You can manifest your wealth, you can manifest new family, you can manifest the expansion of your dreams, the expansion of your horizons, the expansion of your business. Anything is possible during this time because 11th house is of wish fulfillment, and there is no limit to what you can wish for. Your social circle may also increase. You may find some new and really good friends during this period. So, you must try to increase your horizons related to your social circle. You must try to make new friends, meet new people, even increase your social presence. New opportunities may also come through social media or your old friends, especially those who are older than you. This Jupiter is aspecting your third house, therefore, your communication will become really effective. Your short travels will become really fruitful. So, in case you are into a job where you need to travel very often, you are going to get a raise or a promotion during this time. Your relationship with your younger siblings will become better, and they will also bring you good advice and unconditional support. So, this is an excellent time to bond with your younger siblings, especially. Another aspect of Jupiter is falling on your fifth house, so it is also a good time to bond with your children. Your children are going to do well during this period. You can learn new things, you can pursue your old hobbies, you can also showcase your talents during this time. Whatever hidden talents you have, you will be able to search for those. You will be able to discover new things that you could have done before. You will be able to discover things that you are good at. Even if you do a speculative investment, if you're investing in a lottery, let's say, you may be able to win it during this period. As Jupiter is boosting your luck and aspecting your fifth house that controls your mind. The last aspect of Jupiter is on your seventh house, so therefore, you may find a good life partner or a good business partner during this time. Even your marriage issues, if they were there, they are going to be resolved during this period. You will also do well in your business, you will expand your business, and you will attract a lot of new customers through social media, especially because Jupiter is in your 11th house aspecting your third house, and third house is also your social media presence. Now let's talk about Libra sign. Jupiter is coming to your 10th house of career. This is an excellent time for career expansion, for business growth, for finding a new job. This is also a good time to establish a good public image. During this time, you will form an image in front of your boss. Your boss will start trusting you. He or she will also support you a lot during this time. You will get support from your team members as well, from your colleagues as well. And a job promotion is also very much possible. Getting a leadership position is also within reach. This Jupiter is aspecting your second house of wealth and family. So your wealth will increase, your savings will increase, your family relationships will become much better. Jupiter is aspecting your fourth house as well. So your relationship with your immediate family and your extended family both will enhance. Your assets will increase. You will be able to buy a new property, a new car, or whatever it is that you are planning for. Getting new appliances is also possible during this time. Upgrading your living standard, upgrading your comfort zone. In fact, having a luxury life is possible in this particular window. In case your mother was not doing well earlier, this is a time when she will start feeling better. Your relationship with her will also become much more positive. Jupiter is aspecting your sixth house as well. So, the aspect on the sixth house is excellent for your job. You are going to get promoted during this time as Jupiter is in 10th, aspecting the sixth. So, therefore, things are very much going to move in your career, especially if you are into a job. You will start feeling that life has become much easier because of the third aspect of Jupiter. Because sixth house is the one that brings you struggles, and aspecting Jupiter is going to reduce those struggles. It is going to ease your enemies, your debts, your sickness. So your health is going to also improve, your debts are going to finish off, or you may even apply for a new loan. If you're not getting a loan, you can get one during this time, probably because your salary has now increased. So this is an excellent time, especially for your career and expansion of your wealth. Now let's talk about Scorpio sign. For Scorpios, Jupiter is coming in your ninth house of luck, boosting your overall luck. Traveling is very much possible during this window, and this traveling will bring you a lot of luck and new opportunities. You must definitely visit a spiritual place during this time. Your relationship with your father will enhance. His advice will come in very, very handy for you. So you must listen to your father, especially during this window, as whatever he says to you is going to be fruitful for you. Your ninth house is your father, and Jupiter is wisdom. So you will get words of wisdom from your father or father figures. Your boss will also start favoring you during this time. Indulging in religious activities is essential during this period, as it will help you align with your true self. It will also help you boost your confidence, and your community will also start supporting you in your endeavors. Jupiter is aspecting your Lagna. Therefore, you are going to boost your wisdom, boost your knowledge. You're going to learn new things. In fact, I would advise you to start reading a new book, to start learning something new, because as soon as you start learning something new, Jupiter gets triggered and the blessings start to flow. Whatever it is that you learn during this period will bring you new opportunities, will bring you blessings of Jupiter. Your health will become overall better because of the aspect on Lagna. In fact, your mindset will also become better. You will be able to think more clearly, you will be able to get aligned with your destiny, with your goals. This is a time when you will start feeling lightheaded. This is a time when you will start feeling lightheaded and even light-hearted. Jupiter is also aspecting your third house, so your communication will become more fruitful, more impactful. Your efforts will minimize and the results will increase. So, even with the smallest of efforts, you will be able to get big gains. Your relationship with your younger siblings will also improve, and your social media presence will also help you gain new opportunities. Therefore, you must increase your social media presence. Your communication is really crucial during this time. Whatever you communicate is going to have an impact on your career, an impact on your family as well. Therefore, you must only say positive things, and affirmations for yourself will also help you get one step closer to whatever you dream of. The third aspect of Jupiter is on your fifth house. Fifth house stands for children and education. So, students are going to do very well, and your children are also going to do very well. If you are trying to invest something, then you must take a shot at speculative investments, because this is a period when your luck is at its peak. Apart from learning something new, you can also pursue your old hobbies, because you will feel more creative. Your talents will enhance. You may even be able to discover new talents that you didn't knew you had during this time. You can even monetize these talents if you start to polish them now. For Sagittarius sign, Jupiter is coming to your 8th house. So you are going to do very well in research. You are going to do very well with your joint ventures, with your joint assets also. In case you have a business in partnership, then your wealth is going to increase. You're going to get new opportunities. Your relationship with in-laws will also become much better. In fact, they will also give you some valuable present during this time. Your spouse's wealth may also increase during this period, and they may start doing well in their career as well. So your family's overall financial status is definitely going to enhance because of this aspect of Jupiter. Therefore, this is a time for you to expand your boundaries, to venture new horizons, to build a strong relationship with your in-laws, and expand your financial boundaries. Now, this Jupiter in your 8th house is aspecting your second house of wealth. So, even your and your partner's wealth both are going to increase. Your relationship with your family, also with your wife and children, or your husband and your children, is going to become much stronger than before. Your speech will also get impacted. Whatever you speak will have a major impact on your career as well as your personal life. Therefore, be more careful with what you say. Jupiter is also aspecting your 4th house. Therefore, you can also increase your luxury. You can increase your comforts. You can build a new home. You can build new assets. You can even buy a new car or home appliances. Jupiter is aspecting your 12th house also. So 12th house aspect will bring you foreign land opportunities. If you're willing to change a job, you must look for a job in a foreign land or in a multinational company, because this is a period where it is a maximum chance of getting the same. Your spiritual endeavors will also be fruitful during this time. You will get meaningful dreams. You will get messages from the universe in your dreams. Your sleep quality will increase. If you start meditating during this time, you can even reach new levels of success, because meditating activates your 12th house, which is being expected by Jupiter. Therefore, it is an excellent opportunity for you to become more successful than you already are. So embrace this period and use it well. Now for Capricorn sign, Jupiter is coming to your 7th house of partnerships. Both your marriage partnerships and business partnerships are seen from the 7th house, and both will be impacted positively during this time. If you're single, you can find a new partner. If you are into a business, you may find a new good business partner. Or if you're already into a business, your partnership will do well. You will have a good communication, a good chemistry with your partner, which will lead you towards success. As far as marriage is concerned, your marital issues will get resolved during this period, and you and your partner may also plan to expand your family. Jupiter is aspecting your Lagna. Therefore, your knowledge will enhance, your wisdom will enhance, and you will start understanding what is more important in your life and what is not. You will get more aligned with your true self and with your goals in life. You will start to understand what to do and what to leave. It will be a good idea to start learning during this period. Whatever you learn during this time is going to be extremely beneficial for you. It will bring you new opportunities in life. Jupiter is aspecting your third house, therefore, your efforts will become much more fruitful and your relationship with your siblings will also enhance. So, you must start communicating with your siblings more often during this period. You may even get a new idea or some kind of motivation through them. Your social presence is crucial during this time, as your social media presence will also bring you some kind of new opportunity. And lastly, Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of wish fulfillment. Therefore, whatever your previous wishes are may get fulfilled during this time, or whatever new you wish for during this period will definitely get fulfilled. So you must up your manifestation game and start your affirmations as soon as possible. You may even find a new friend or somebody in your social circle who will give you an excellent advice, somebody who may introduce you to someone very resourceful and very knowledgeable. Therefore, you must keep your social interactions active, also make some new friends. If you make a new friend during this time, that friendship will last for a lifetime because of the blessings of Jupiter. So, overall, this is a period of enhancing your partnerships and expanding your friend circle, even attracting new opportunities and fulfilling your desires. Now, let's talk about Aquarius sign. For Aquarius moon sign, Jupiter is going to come to your sixth house, easing out your efforts, easing out your daily struggles. Whatever your daily routine is going to be impacted because of this Jupiter. Your court cases will get resolved, legal matters will come in your favor during this time. Also, if you're job hunting, you will get a new and a very good job which is high paying. Your enemies may also have a change of heart and they may stop troubling you anymore. So, overall, your sixth house is becoming very, very positively impacted. Even your health will become much better. If you're struggling with health issues currently, just wait for Jupiter becoming exalted. Now, this Jupiter is aspecting your second house, therefore, your wealth will increase, your family relationships will increase. So, there is a very high chance of a job promotion in case you are into service. Also, your savings will increase. Your family may also expand during this time. Your relationship with your family members will also enhance during this time, and you will also enjoy some really good food and have a good time with your family members. Another aspect of Jupiter is on your 12th house. Therefore, you may get a foreign job opportunity or a job opportunity from a distant place, from another state probably. And that opportunity will bring you success, that opportunity will bring you a better salary and a better increment. Your sleep cycle will improve. You will stop having bad dreams in case you're having them now. Your intuition will become much stronger, and Jupiter is also going to help you with fulfilling your spiritual goals. So, it is highly recommendable for you to start meditating during this period because it will activate your 12th house and you will also be able to absorb the positive energy that Jupiter is offering to you. You must keep your karma clean and do charitable acts during this period to get maximum benefit from Jupiter. Jupiter is also aspecting your 10th house. Therefore, you may get a leadership opportunity at your workplace. Your boss will start favoring you. He or she will stop giving you a rough time. Also, your public image will enhance during this time. So, look out for new opportunities and grab them as soon as they appear. So for Aquarius moons, this period is highly, highly beneficial in terms of your career. You must have full focus on your job or your business right now because the best time is about to come. Now let's talk about Pisces sign. Jupiter is going to come in your fifth house, which is a very good sign because Fifth house shows your talents. So you are going to discover your hidden potential, your hidden creativity. You will feel more creative, in fact. So use that creativity in your career and it will bring you success. Your investments will also be fruitful, especially the speculative ones. Your children will also do well in their life, and if you're a student, you are going to get really good grades or you are going to excel during this period. You will have a boost in your mindset. The fog will lift and you will be able to see things much more clearly, as fifth house also shows your mind. Now this Jupiter is aspecting your Lagna first of all, so you will be able to learn new things. This time is especially favorable for education. Even if you are an adult, even if you are in a job, you must do a new training, you must start reading a new book or learn anything new that will be really good for you. It will also bring you new opportunities. Now Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of desire fulfillment. So your desires may get fulfilled through your knowledge, through your learning during this time. Also expand your social media presence, because it will also help you boost your luck and achieve your dreams. You may get some really good advice from somebody in your social circle, and that advice will be coming from an elderly person. So you must take that advice and try to implement it wherever possible. Your Jupiter is also aspecting your ninth house. Therefore, I'm saying you will get advice from an elder person. It could be your dad as well, as ninth house represents your father. Traveling will be really beneficial during this period, especially long distance travels. So you must do a spiritual journey during this period, which will bring a lot of luck in your life. Your luck is overall boosted during this period, as ninth house is your luck itself and Jupiter is aspecting it. Your ninth house also represents your higher education. So overall this period is excellent for learning again, because fifth house is your normal education and ninth house is higher education, and Lagna is also being aspected, which is your brain. So Jupiter has full access of your mind and mindset. So try to harness this energy, as whatever decisions you will make during this time will decide your future, and your future is going to be excellent if you are on the path of Jupiter. Lastly, Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house of wish fulfillment. So for Pisces, this is a time to learn new things and fulfill your wishes. Therefore, use it wisely and enhance your learnings during this time. So this is what Jupiter is going to bring in your life in the next few months. I hope this was very helpful for you, and if you take the advice given in this video, you are going to have a really positive change in your life.